Good day, students of Maravit Schools. I am Master A, and today we will have some math lessons for P.5. Let's have a look. For today's math lesson, we will learn on how to convert fractions into decimals. What is a decimal? The word decimal means based on 10. Our decimal system lets us write numbers as large or as small as we want using the decimal point. Digits can be placed to the left or right of a decimal point to show values greater than 1 or less than 1. Like for example, 1.5, 0.45, and 0.541 or 541. The decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. Without it, we are lost and don't know what each position means. For example, we remove the points on these numbers. 1.5 will show the number 15. 0.45 will show the number 45 with a 0 in front. You will see that it shows a different value without the decimal point. Let's recall. Place values. For example, we have the number 1234. 4 is ones, 3 is tens, 2 is hundreds, and 1 is thousands. As we move left, each position is 10 times bigger. As we move right, each position is 10 times smaller. Do you know the place value smaller than ones? It is tens, hundreds, thousands. Remember that we must first put a decimal point so we know exactly where the ones position is. How do we convert fraction into decimal? Let's answer these exercises with base 10 fractions. To write 1/10 as a decimal, write 1 on the tens place and 0 on the ones place. For there are no whole numbers, so we get 0.1. Next, 2/10. 2/10 is equals to 0.2. 5/10. 5/10 is equals to 0.5. 10/10. 10/10 is equals to 1 whole, so it is equals to 1.0. Let's see if we have 100 as our denominator. For example, we have 11th 100. 11th 100 is equals to 0.11 or 0.11. How about 2500? 2500 is equals to 0.25. 4500 is equals to 0.45. And 100 over 100 is equals to 1.00 or just 1. How about denominators with 1000? 123 over 1000 is equals to 0.123 or 0.123. 541 over 1000 is equals to 0.541 or 0.541. 950 over 1000 is equals to 0.950. And 1000 over 1000 is equals to 1.000 or just 1. To convert fraction into decimals, we have to divide the numerator by its denominator. For example, 1/2. To get its decimal value, we divide 1 by 2, which is 0. Since we can divide a smaller number by a bigger number, we are going to add zeros. Start by writing a point and add a 0. Now it looks like we are dividing 10 by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Before writing 5, place a point. So 1/2 is equals to 0.5. Another example, 3/4. Divide 3 by 4, which is 0. Add a point and a 0 to 3. Now we have 30 divided by 4 equals 7. Again, before writing an answer, write a point, then the number 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Okay, so we have a remainder, so we have to add another 0, then bring it down. We will have 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Write 5, and 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Now we don't have any remainder left, and our answer is 0.75. More examples. 1/3. Divide 1 by 3. Add a point and a 0 to 1. Now we have 10 divided by 3 equals to 3. Write a point, then the number 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now we have a remainder, so we will add another 0. Bring down 0, we will have 10. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And again, we have a remainder. So add another 0. Bring down 0, and we will have 10. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Wait, it seems we are repeating and repeating our process, and we might come up with a long answer like 0.333333. To shorten that, just write 0.3333 up to the 10,000th place. Then round off the 1000th place. The 10,000th place is 3, so our 1000th place remain the same. Our answer is 0.333. Or you may write 0.3 and draw a bar above 3 to show that it is a repeating number that goes on and on. Let's review. Today we learned how to convert fraction into decimal. It's simple, just divide the numerator by the denominator. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.